I'm going to teach you how to use the month function in Excel in under 2 minutes. If you need to extract the month from a date, the month function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with a list of dates in column B. We want to extract the month from these dates. To get started, let's begin by entering the month command. The month function takes a single parameter, which is the serial number. This serial number represents the date from which you want to extract the month. In our example, we'll select the date in cell B2. So, if you type equals month B2, Excel will extract the month from this date and return a number from 1 to 12, where 1 represents January and 12 represents December. Press enter and you will see the month number in the selected cell. Now, what if you want to apply this function to the rest of the dates? This can be done easily with a single click. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. To apply this function to the rest of the dates, simply double-click the green square in the bottom right corner of the cell where you entered the formula. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each cell in the range, extracting the month from each date. And that's how it works.